But I just see.
Okay, this is what I wanted to do. This was plan A. This is.
Well, then,
Oh.
I gotta sneeze.
And not bad or about to that, isn't that right?
I just smashed my face into the microphone. How can I? Oh, ask for feet pics. Oh my God! Wait, hold. Jeez.
Dirt weren't that bad.
How are you doing? I'm doing good. I'm not a felon. I don't. Screw you, Caesar! Screw you! Don't clip it! If you clip it, you better include this part where I say screw you! I don't know. Screw you! Screw you, Sneezes! I have decided VTuber Sneeze's name is Ronald.
Age of 18. The if you
No sneezing!
But I just see that hilarious.
Ah, yes, these.